So last week when I posted some padlock videos and bypassed the mechanism, I got some annoying comments saying, oh, you need a tensioning tool. Well, the answer is you don't need a tensioning tool because I'm not actually trying to pick the pins or tension the cylinder. You can bypass this whole cylinder piece by just attacking the locking mechanism itself. So if you slip the bypass tool in, you can see I'm pulling one side of the shackle retainer in, and then you just need to go for the other side, therefore popping the padlock. Now it's important, if you send comments, you actually know what you're talking about. Yeah? Hopefully this has been educational for you, but if you still want to complain, bitch and moan, feel free to post another comment.